Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can enhance your videos with dynamic captions on CapCut. So here are quick tips for you. If you want to make your video looks more dynamic, you can use captions. And here I've already imported the clip. Okay, I'm going to go to text and use the auto captions. Okay, so you can choose the sound source and also the language, and I'm going to just click on generate to generate the caption first. Okay, so now the caption has been generated, but as you guys can see here that the caption looks boring now, and if you want to make it more dynamic, you can add animations to the caption. So just click on one of the captions and go to animations in here. Oops. Then select captions tab. So there are lots of options, animation options that you can use to make your caption looks more dynamic, but I'm going to use the okay, let's try the pop-up. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Okay, you can see now the captions looks more lively, I think, but you can always try or explore other animations that you think fits your video the best. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.